What? You got a tool? Welcome. My name is Mark Serdina, your #1 Asian code wolf. Thank you for choosing to learn self-education as your choice of entertainment. You have been an amazing viewer since the introduction of my web development course. There will be more free amazing lessons available at your fingertips. This video applies to all kinds of business, or even to someone who wants to blog or currently blogging. This is chapter 5 of my web development course that will get them begging for more. I call this amazing chapter "What comes before a home page or any page that will allow you to do business with your visitors. Find out their intentions and lead them with high value offer." So you sit there and you're looking at your Google Analytics. You've been getting a very high numbers of visitors to your homepage, and a lot of them goes to certain pages or bounce off, and you sit feeling impressed. And you say, "Wow, look at that. That's a lot of visitors coming in and leaving." You then look at where they click next and get some stats and how many there are. But is the data enough? Fuck no. Did the Google Analytics stats tell you what they are looking for? No. The Google stats tell you how you can help them? No. Did your visitors get something valuable from your page? You didn't say maybe. You must be reading my content. How the fuck do you know that? Did the analytics stats give you your visitors' emails to do business with? Absolutely none. And yes, you know where they click and go. What else? Not much you can use to do business, right? What the hell are we doing? Why are we even have a website? Oh, smart, so that our visitors can see what we have. I tell you what, it's not enough. It's not enough. Your fish are coming in and going. A lot of them who have visited, and you had no idea how you can help them. Now sit and you think for a minute. You are saying this to yourself: "I wish these visitors are my customers buying or doing business with me. I would have made tons of money, relationships, and connections." But nope, very small percentage buy or do business with you. That's the harsh truth about it. Now, I have a solution that will make your fantasy a reality. I have a tool. Now pay very close attention to every word I say about the goal of this tool. This is a very simple step-by-step tool. It is called an entry page, a fishing net. If you have heard of the word funnel, this has some slight similarity of it, but simpler than that. So here we go. Pay very close attention. An entry page goal is to capture your visitor's first name, their intention, offer a gift, discount in exchange for an email, or simply show them valuable links to your website. It is simply a short step-by-step process to get visitors to do specific things before showing the homepage or any page that you want to display on a website. Its goal is to find out how you can help or offer them free, high value content, free or discounted product or services that every visitor visits your website. So here is the blueprint. As you can see, this is a very simple graph, but I break it down to a very simple concept. So every website has a homepage, has pages. What we need is to add this whole thing. So we need to add a very simple step-by-step before getting your visitors landing to your homepage. So the first thing that we need to do, this can be implemented like a page or a pop-up. It is up to you. But how I'm gonna do this is going to be a page and a series of step by step. So the first thing that I need to display is, hi, welcome to mywebsite.com. That is the very first text that I need to display on my webpage before displaying the homepage. So the next thing that they need to do is they need to choose take me to recommended browsing, which is this option, or take me to normal browsing. So for recommended browsing, they would have to enter their first name, and I would then ask, how can I help you? Then they would enter how I can help them. They would enter the problems, what they're looking for, their product or services that they are looking for, all kinds of things that they want to share. It will be entered on a single field on your entry page. So I'm going through this process. As you can see, the color, this is an option if you decided to take this option. But if you decided to take this option, this is just a normal option, adding some simple field that will allow you to get to know what your visitors are looking for and how you can help them. So, continue on. After you filled up, after the visitors have filled up what they are looking for and how you can help them, you will have a single button that they can save. You will need to click the button to save after filling up how you can help them. After that, below you will have an option. 3 options. The first option is, these options will be buttons. 3 buttons. 1, 2, 3. So the first one is take a free gift. And the second option is I need to browse. And the third option is I need the contact. These 3 things are the most important things that you need to show your visitors when they land in your website. So if the visitors has decided to take a free gift can be, an example for that is, a content could be the 10 strategies to close a deal. Content. It can be a content, or it can be a service, or it can be a product. So, depending on your business, if you are just simply blogging and displaying content, then let's choose this option. This option, we will need to populate and make sure the content are ready in our Umbraco backend, in our backend. So if you decided to choose this option, a content, your visitors are taking the free gift from your website, which is a content, a free high value content, a high value content. So in order to get that high value content, your visitor will need to enter an email. They will need to click the download button. Then the email will be saved into the database, and then the gift, that high value content you're offering, that irresistible offer that you're trying to give to your visitor, will be sent to the email they entered. So it will send the gift to the visitor, to the email. And then for your own record, you will send a notification to your manager, whoever is managing the website. You are managing the website, the owner, whoever. If the visitor is looking for, if they want to take a free product as a gift or a product with a discount, then they will need to choose this path. They will then enter their email, click checkout, enter the shipping address, enter the payment details, and then click submit. If it's a free product, they might not need to enter the payment details. They might need to enter a payment details for shipping. But if the product is discounted to lower the price, then they will need to click checkout, enter the shipping address, payment, and then click submit. If your visitor is looking to hire your service could be accounting, making website, writing content, designing, plumbing, all kinds of stuff that you offer as a service to your client. If they decided to take the service as a free gift, then they will need to enter an email, and then they would need to click the button that says get my free 30 minutes consultation. It's up to you how many minutes you want to give. It's all about giving value. And then the customers, your visitors, will then fill up or then answer a couple of questions, a questionnaire that will help you find out what their problems are. So it will give you an idea to talk about during your 30 minutes consultation. So those questions will be listed, and then your visitors will need to click submit. But as you can see, there might be some people that don't want to take your free gift, your irresistible offer. They might just want to browse your web page, your website, so they would need to take this option. And then after clicking this option, this button on your website, on your entry page, then you will just simply display links to pages, just like a normal website, a normal menu. You have links and pages. So if the client, your visitors, is just looking for a contact, then they will just simply click the button to display the phone number. And that's pretty much it. End of the step for take me to recommended browsing. It is very simple. It gets you their name, it gets you how you can help them. It finds out what problems they're trying to solve, what they are looking for. It gives them value. You give them content, you give them free product, a discount, a free 30 minutes consultation in exchange for an email. You might close a deal during this 30 minutes consultation. It is all up to you how you do your business with them. And that is all it for this step. But if some visitors, they don't want to do this recommended browsing, then they would need to click take me to normal browsing. Then you will just need to ask them for the name, email, it's very simple, and how you can help them. And then they will need to click submit and browse now. And they will then display the actual home page or any page that you want to display. And that is basically it. It's very simple. It gets you what you wanted. Okay. So, the next amazing video I'm going to show you is how we build this tool so that you can apply and utilize this technique. Thank you so much for taking the time to sit and listen. I have more powerful features to share. If you like this video, please like, follow, subscribe, comment. Let me know how I can help you. What are you trying to solve? What ideas you're trying to implement? What problems you're currently facing with your business right now? How important they are if you achieve them. Do they mean more freedom, more time, more revenue, more profit, and especially more cash flow? Please also take a chance to write how this tool can help you and how I can improve it. Again, the next video is how we go technical in building this tool, step by step, using SQL, Umbraco, .NET MVC, jQuery, Ajax, HTML5, SAS, and finally your CSS. Thank you so much. Have an amazing week. Stay positive.